This is a continuation of day 5 of customization of a Fossapup64 boot camp series day 5. So today we will install and customize rofi, which is an application manager. In Fossapup there is a on default exec, which is a application manager, which can urxvt can launch application. For example, in this case, urxvt, which you already did. So, but separate dedicated application rofi is fairly robust, and we can get it from Puppy Package Manager, and we'll go ahead and open that up. And we'll be using Ubuntu font as the font that will be configured for rofi. So we'll go ahead and get a Ubuntu font, and we'll go ahead and this is TTF Ubuntu font families already installed, so we don't have to install it again. And then we'll go ahead and install rofi, which is not installed. So we'll go ahead and get an alphabetical order, and go all the way down to R, and a lot of applications, so we'll go skip to R. And here it is, and we'll go ahead and install it. So it shouldn't take too long, and just let it install. I have taken liberty of modifying some keyboard commands, which is a part of jwmrc-presonal file, which we'll cover in detail later on. But for example, for F4 I can just close any application, so F4. So now let me go ahead and open up Genie rc-presonal file, which is in hidden folder from the root level. So here it is, and I've just installed it. So this is not the default jwmrc-presonal. I have modified it. So the key line that I want to show you is right here. So I have it set up, so if I just use the keyboard control and space, it starts a rofi, and rofi parameters are here, and then it says the theme, rofi theme here, and it shows a certain size, and there'll be 2 columns, and then you'll be using font Ubuntu 16. So since we installed it, that should work. So what we want to do is, since we installed the rofi, what we want to do is just go ahead and read the configuration file, and then I'll show you what the rofi is. So control spacebar will start the rofi. So this is what rofi looks like. And for example, if I want to start GIMP, which is graphic editor, so I can just go ahead and do that. And it starts the graphic program. So I'll go ahead and enter F4, which closes any application that's open. So let me go ahead and show the rofi again. And rofi has extensive application launcher available, and puppy package manager, let's see if it's puppy package manager, it's here. Although you can click it that way to start puppy package manager. If I just enter ppm puppy package manager, although it doesn't show up, it actually launches the puppy package manager. So this is we can go ahead and close it. So F4. So it's very useful. It can likewise start scripts. So if I just go ahead and enter, there is a script called view-nor-sh, NIORSH. Well, it doesn't show again, but if I know the name of the script, it actually starts. So here is the view nor, and let me just enlarge the screen. So that's a photo viewer. So it's a fairly simple process of downloading rofi and knowing what to how to set it up in jwmrc-presonal file for key binding setup. So I hope that's helpful, and that's it for today.